Good morning, my dear children. Today we are moving to the last section of Chapter 4 National Movements in India. Here we will discuss mainly three topics, that is, non cooperation movement, Chori Chora incident, and Swarajya Party. Our first topic is non cooperation movement 1920 to 22. The Nagpur Conference gave the approval to non-cooperation movement. Now the Congress made a strong demand for independence of India or Swarajya instead of self-government, Swashasan, under the rule of the British Empire. Now we people want our freedom. We are not ready to continue with the self-government of British. We want our freedom. For that, we are starting our new method of fighting. That which we introduced was non-cooperation movement. This non-cooperation movement, we are dividing it into two aspects. It is having a positive side and another one is the negative side. Positive aspect or constructive aspect. What are these two are the effects of the non-cooperation movement. Just make it clear. Page number 28. Non-cooperation movement. What are the effects of non-cooperation movement? Constructive aspect and negative aspect. Constructive aspect is otherwise known as positive aspect. So first we will discuss about the constructive aspect or the positive aspect. In the positive aspect of the movement was the Hindu-Muslim unity to be strengthened. First of all, we will be giving more importance to the unity of Hindus and Muslims. Second point was encouragement was given to the use of Swadeshi goods and revive spinning wheel in every house. We will start using our own item, Indian item, Swadeshi movement, and started using or revive the use of charka, that is for making our clothes. We will start using our spinning wheel. Target to collect 1 crore rupees in Tilak Swarajya Fund. Tilak Swarajya Fund, that during that time we freedom movement को help करने के लिए Tilak Swarajya Fund, that is contribution from, that was 1 rupee from one family. Abolish untouchability, increase education in nation, prohibition of liquor, etc. Because Indian people, they were following still many places we were following untouchability, the practice of untouchability. वो हमको निकालना है. दूसरा है national education. Many of the people were following British education. We want to remove that and we want to introduce our own education. And third one is prohibition खाली लिखा है. What is the prohibition? Prohibition of liquor. हमारा इधर foreign liquor, दारू, वो foreign वाला बहुत चल रहे थे. मीन्स हमको प्रोहिबिट करना है जो भी है liquor, either it is Indian or it is foreign. We don't want that type of items. Next is negative aspect. Indians started giving up their government job, government schools, colleges, boycotting legislature. Indians started resigning from the government courts, government self-government, local self-government, boycotting foreign goods, government functions, government titles, etc. The explanation you will get in the next heading. The another one, the third program or effect of third effect about non-cooperation movement was the programs that took place under non-cooperation movement. First one is removing or surrendering the titles given by the Britishers. Removing and surrendering and boycotting the titles. That is, for example, Mahatma Gandhi had given the title Kesari Hind by Britishers. Gandhiji surrendered, removed, and boycotted this title. Same way, Rabindranath Tagore. He got the title knighthood when he awarded Nobel Peace Prize. Britishers had given the title knighthood, वो भी उसने surrender किया. Just like that, many other leaders also surrendered their titles and positions. Students left English schools and colleges. Many students, many Indian students, those who were studying in British schools and colleges, they left their studies. On the other hand, schools and colleges such as Kashi Vidyapeeth, Bihar Vidyapeeth, Jamia Millia, Gujarat Vidyapeeth, etc. were established at a national level. Indian universities, Indian schools were started at different places. Bonfire of foreign clothes were made at several places. At many places, foreign items सब इकट्ठा करके public places में जलाना शुरू किया. Due to the strong propagation of Swadeshi goods, the import of foreign clothes, footwear, luxurious items, etc. from England was drastically reduced. That we have discussed in the section when we started this chapter, first section, boycott movement and Swadeshi, introduction of Swadeshi items. There we have discussed all these things. Indian items, British items lost their market in India, especially shoes, cigarette, sugar, etc. Next one, this caused a huge loss to the British government. It also shook the British Parliament. That's why from that time onwards we have seen British Queen Elizabeth, she had the result of first war of independence was that also British Parliament understood that if we are continuing with this type of rules and regulations, we will totally lose our colony. Indians boycotted the arrival of Duke of Kent in November 1921. The Duke of Kaynath was supposed to come to India during the time of 1921, and that function also was boycotted by Indians. In the year 1921, the Duke of Kaynath, he was the Prince of Wales. King later he was known as the King Edward VIII. Arrived in India. Upon his arrival in Bombay, there was a widespread agitation going on. All the Indians boycotted his arrival. These all events created a huge excitement in people. During the non-cooperation movement, a revolt took place between Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants in Malabar district of Kerala. This is known as the Mopla revolt or the Mapla revolt. This revolt criticized because on one side we are talking about Hindu-Muslim unity. Congress is trying its level best to show the Britishers that here Hindus and Muslims are having a very good relation. And at the same time, Hindu landlords and Muslim peasants, Muslim farmers fought each other on religious basis. And this came to be known as Mapla revolt or Mopla revolt. This revolt was suppressed by Britishers. Britishers were able to suppress this revolt. Page number 29, first paragraph. The government adopted the policy of suppression. How did government suppress all the revolutionary movements which run in our country? Through uncontrolled lathi charge, firing, collective arrest and inhuman torture. हमको मार के पीट के अरेस्ट करके लाती चार्ज लाती से मारते हैं बहुत सारा. Unsuccessful attempts to break Hindu-Muslim unity were made. They tried their level best to break the unity of Hindus and Muslims in India. Next heading, Chori Chora incident and withdrawal of the non-cooperation movement. Page number 29. Have you heard about Chori Chora movement? This movement, the non-cooperation movement, was started by Gandhiji. What was the aim of this movement? Opposing British rule in India, but maintaining the policy of non-violence. Non-violence कभी हम लोग कभी violence नहीं लेंगे. We will follow the policy of non-cooperation movement, but we want stop of British rule in India. The non-cooperation movement speed up and worked well for some time. उसका स्पीड इंडिया में बहुत अच्छा था, मीन्स सब इसके इन्फ्लुएंस में आ गया. नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट का एक पॉजिटिव साइड ऐसा ही था कि पूरा इंडियंस ये फ्रीडम मूवमेंट के बारे में सोचना शुरू किया और मेहनत करना, वर्किंग करना भी शुरू किया. पहले या शुरुआत में टिल गांधी जी का अराइवल तक ये सब है ना एजुकेटेड इंडियंस और वन स्पेशल ग्रुप का था. नाउ दिस आइडिया, द आइडिया ऑफ फ्रीडम, idea of getting independence came into the mind of people living in village as well as in cities. It came to the mind of all the people, including ladies and children. Now, but as said by Gandhiji, totally non-cooperation movement was going on peacefully. Total non-cooperation movement, very peacefully they were going. But later, a crowd at Chori Chora village of Gorakhpur district of Uttar Pradesh. उत्तर प्रदेश का गोरखपुर डिस्ट्रिक्ट का एक छोटा सा गांव था चोरी चोरा. देयर एक मीटिंग, एक छोटा सा मीटिंग, क्राउड लोग इकट्ठा हुआ था. They took up a rally was going on. एक rally was going on. The police opened fire on the. हम एकदम शांति से हम जा रहे थे और बीच में पुलिस आके हमारे ऊपर फायर डालना शुरू किया. मतलब ओपन द फायर, बुलेट स्टार्ट किया, बुलेटिंग करना स्टार्ट किया. सो When British police run short of bullets, उनका हाथ में जितना पड़ा था वो सब यूज़ किया. उसके बाद फिर उनके हाथ में कुछ नहीं था. तब people they felt very angry. People attacked the police station, set fire and killed 21 British policemen. इंडियंस का गुस्सा, वो ग्रुप को बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा हो गया. वो क्या किया, पुलिस स्टेशन गया, वहाँ पुलिस स्टेशन पे फायर डाला और उसके अंदर 21 ब्रिटिश पुलिस ऑफिसर्स था, सब मर गया. वो फ़ोटो आप गूगल में सर्च करो, यू कैन सी द डेड बॉडीज़ ऑफ द 21 पीपल लाइन में डाल के रखा है, वो फ़ोटो आपको मिलेगा. ये सुनकर गांधी जी को बहुत 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 फील हो गया. ही फील वेरी बैड. On receiving this horrible news, Gandhiji said, I have committed a Himalayan blunder by giving the tool of satyagraha in the hands of people who do not understand the value of non-violence. अरे बाप रे, मैंने क्या किया, जो जिसको दे डोंट नो है, मैंने एक हिमालयन ब्लंडर किया, एकदम बड़ा बड़ा ब्लंडर मैंने किया. जिसको नॉन वायलेंस प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर पा रहे उनके हाथ में मैंने कौन सा टूल दिया, गिव द टूल ऑफ सत्याग्रह एंड नॉन वायलेंस. आई हैव गिवन इनटू द So this Gandhiji felt very bad and he cancelled the non-cooperation movement. Gandhiji felt so bad. जो जिसको नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट अहिंसा वो फॉलो नहीं कर रहे, उनके हाथ में ये रूल बराबर नहीं, दे आर नॉट एबल टू फॉलो द पॉलिसी ऑफ नॉन कोऑपरेशन, सो आई एम कैंसलिंग दिस नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट. ठीक है. वाई डिड गांधी जी विड्रॉ द नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट? आंसर इज चोरी चोरा इंसिडेंट. चोरी चोरा इंसिडेंट के वजह से गांधी जी ने नॉन कोऑपरेशन मूवमेंट कैंसिल किया. Next important topic is effects and importance of non-cooperation movement. What was the effect of non-cooperation movement? Why is non-cooperation movement very important in the history of India's freedom struggle? Although non-cooperation movement could not achieve independence मिल पाया non-cooperation movement से? नहीं. But it made people aware and stand and fight for their rights. सबको पता चला कि सबको aware, all became aware about independence. What is the importance of independence? What is the importance of their fundamental rights? Now they are ready to fight for that. A political awareness was created among all class of people. मैंने पहले बोला था, पहले एजुकेटेड इंडियंस का हाथ में था फ्रीडम फाइट, अभी वो सबके इट बिकेम कॉमन इंडियन, सबको ये फीलिंग हो गया कि हमारा राष्ट्र का स्वतंत्रता हमें मिलना चाहिए. People's faith in independence became quite strong. People were now not afraid of the lathis of the police punishment or even imprisonment. किसी के ऊपर डरता नहीं. They are not. आप मारो, मार रहे, मारो, जेल में डाल रहे, डालो, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. We are ready to face. Only the thing we want freedom. The youth and even women came forward to serve and fight for their nation. That is another plus point. We want to fight for the freedom. For that, ladies and youngsters, children, all are coming for fighting for getting freedom of the country. Congress became the organization of people. सब कांग्रेस पार्टी के अंडर इकट्ठा हुआ. Schools giving national education began. Indian education started at different places. पहले हमारा मेन लैंग्वेज इंग्लिश था, फिर हम लोग कहाँ शिफ्ट हो गया? इंग्लिश. The moment that used to be limited to cities and now spread to the villages also. पहले हमारा सबका ये फ्रीडम फाइट के बारे में वो सोच रहे वो किधर किसका पहले सिटी साइड, नाउ इट केम टू द विलेज, हर लेवल पे हर ऑल आर हैविंग ओनली वन आइडिया, फ्रीडम ऑफ आवर कंट्री. A negative atmosphere against the British government was created in the country. पूरा इंडिया में ब्रिटिशर्स का अगेंस्ट, अभी कोई ब्रिटिशर्स को सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे. पीपल डेवलप्ड द स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग ऑफ अपोजिंग द इनजस्टिस के अगेंस्ट बोलना शुरू किया. See how Gandhiji is talking to the people during non-cooperation movement. Moving to the last topic, that is page number 29, Swarajya Party. When Gandhiji withdrew the non-cooperation movement, Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru, formed a new party called the Swarajya Party. So, when Gandhiji cancelled non-cooperation movement, two other leaders, Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru, they formed a new party with the same ideas. That party was called Swarajya Party. What was their aim? The लक्ष्य क्या था? स्वराज्य पार्टी का aim क्या था? The aim was to get elected in the legislative assemblies of the British government. Because these people, they were educated, they were knowing बाहर से ऐसा झगड़ा करो तो कुछ फ़ायदा नहीं मिलने वाला है, तो ब्रिटिशर्स के साथ बात करना है तो उनका लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में एंट्री होना है. फॉर दैट दे एम वॉज टू गेट इलेक्टेड इन द legislative assemblies run by the British government so that they could oppose the unjust policies of the British. So they will be able to fight against the unjust policies of British rule. The Swaraj Party contested in the election of legislature held in November 1923. नवंबर 1923 में जो इलेक्शन हुआ वो इलेक्शन में कौन पार्ट लिया? स्वराज्य पार्टी. और तो उसका विक्ट्री तो बहुत बड़ा था. सी द कैंडिडेट्स ऑफ द स्वराज्य पार्टी won the seats in both central as well as provincial legislature with a clear majority. हर जगह पे उनका स्टेट लेवल पे और सेंट्रल लेवल पे उनका they got number of seats except in Bengal. They did not get majority in Bengal, but they were a strong party in Bengal. Motilal Nehru was elected into the central legislature while Chittaranjan Das Munshi in Bengal province. Motilal Nehru was elected to the central पार्लियामेंट में रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हो गया, बन गया, और चित्तरंजन दास बंगाल प्रोविंस का लीडर बन गया. Here you are able to see the two photos of Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru. What were the different works done by Swarajya Party? Swarajya Party rejected government budget and proposals. Whatever budget, whatever proposals made by British government, Swarajya Party rejected. It also opposed unjust policies of the government and compelled it to consider the problems of the people. Britishers put forward many policies and they wanted to make it established, but Swarajya Party, they told the government that they are against the unjust policies made by the British government, and the duty of the British government was to solve the problems of the Indians. Due to the working of Swarajya Party, the British government was forced to appoint Simon Commission for suggesting ways to free India 2 years before the predetermined time. So, because of the hard working made by Swarajya Party, the British government was forced to appoint a commission to study the problems of the people of India. And that commission is called a Simon Commission. You will learn in detail about Simon Commission in the next chapter. But already you have studied about in your 8th standard. So, who compelled British government to study the problems of the people of India? Swarajya Party. Now, it proved the British government that Indians could rule constitutionally and democratically. At the same time, the party functioned in quite a disciplined manner. किसी के साथ झगड़ा करने के लिए कुछ नहीं गया. Same like Congress, they were following the policy of ahimsa and non-violence. And so they were respecting the British Parliament and at the same time following ahimsa and non-violence. So British government को पता चला कि Indian rulers or Indian leaders, they are able to rule the country even though if they are going back. The party also adopted constructive activities of Gandhiji like abolishing untouchability, encouraging Hindu-Muslim unity, reviving spinning wheel, prohibition of liquor, etc. Inka Swarajya Party was also doing the things what were Gandhiji told them. Same they were following. Due to the activities of Swarajya Party, the educated class of India got attracted towards it. Educated people, they were willing to work with the British. At the same time, they wanted the freedom of the nation. So they started attracted with this party and they started joining it. A national awareness was recreated in people. The party also played a crucial role in bringing the independence near. They started working. The party also played a crucial role in bringing the independence. बहुत मेहनत, उनका मेहनत के वजह से हमारा इंडिपेंडेंस और थोड़ा सामने आया. The party became weak with the death of Chittaranjan Das Munshi in 1925 June. 1925 when Chittaranjan Das died. So from that time onwards, Chittaranjan the Swarajya Party started losing its strength in India. So some members of the party started supporting the British government, while some others formed a new party called the National Party. देखो, जब चित्तरंजन दास का डेथ हो गया तब थोड़ा लोग धीरे धीरे वापस ब्रिटिशर्स को सपोर्ट करना शुरू किया और दूसरा जो उसके अगेंस्ट था वो लोग एक नया पार्टी बनाया, उसका नाम है नेशनल पार्टी. दिस reduced party's prestige. Party lost its prestige because there was no unity. In the next election in 1926, all the members of Swarajya Party lost miserably except in Madras. खाली मद्रास में स्वराज्य पार्टी का लीडर्स जीत गया, बाकी हर जगह पे फेल हो गया. Bipin Chandrapal and Surendranath Banerjee criticized the party very strongly in the Congress Working Committee. With this, we come to the end of this big chapter. I hope you got an idea about our country's struggle for freedom. अब तक हम फ्रीडम तक नहीं आया, फिर भी गांधी जी's arrival into India's freedom movement, boycotting an indigenous movement, revolutionary movement, extreme revolutionary movement, then about our Rowlatt Act, Jallianwala massacre and non-cooperation movement. Today we have discussed about non-cooperation movement, Chori Chora incident and Swarajya Party. Non-cooperation movement is having two aspects or effects of non-cooperation movement is positive aspect, second one is negative aspect, and third one is different programs that took place under non-cooperation movement. Then why non-cooperation movement was cancelled? Non-cooperation movement cancelled because of Chori Chora incident. And the next one is when Gandhiji cancelled the non-cooperation movement, with the same policies, with the same aim. What they started? A group of leaders, they started a new party under the leadership of Chittaranjan Das Munshi and Motilal Nehru, and the name of the party was Swarajya Party. I hope it is clear for you. Now we are moving to the worksheet. For starting the worksheet, first question, page number 29. Answer the following questions point wise. Question number 3. Explain the programs, event and effects of non-cooperation movement. This is a very big answer for 4 mark. Every year we are getting this question. So I want you all to study this answer. It is compulsory for you. First of all, the answer is little bit big. If you are writing in point wise and heading wise, the answer will be easy for you. For that, first take page number 28. Under the heading non-cooperation movement. Otherwise, you can write the answers which I have given in my video. Or the same points I have taken from the textbook. For that, first point is non-cooperation movement. You are supposed to write a brief introduction about non-cooperation movement. That is, in the video I have given the first clip. Non-cooperation movement. 2 points are there. Then, second line, please write the effects of non-cooperation movement is 1. Constructive aspect or positive aspect. Second one, negative aspect. ठीक है? What are the 2 points? Positive aspect and negative aspect. All the 4 points of positive aspect is there in my clip. The next clip, we are discussing about negative aspect. About negative aspect, we are having many points I have given. That all the points you are supposed to write. Now, after that, third heading, that is programs. In negative aspect, we are having 2 heading. Positive aspect also we are having 4 headings. Then third point is programs that took place under non-cooperation movement. That also you are supposed to write. Okay. For that, for the different programs, please come to your textbook. Page number 28, last heading, programs. There you can write, in the beginning or underline, in the beginning of the movement, Mahatma Gandhi and Ravindranath Tagore and many others surrendered their titles. Example, Kesari Hind or knighthood respectively. Students of left English schools and colleges. At various places, foreign clothes were set on fire. Duke of Kynarth, Prince of Wales, etc. were boycotted when they came to India. Such incidents created considerable national excitement. On the other hand, national schools and colleges were established like Kashi, Bihar, Jamia Millia, Gujarat Vidyapeeth, etc. The vigorous propaganda for Swadeshi goods, the import of cloth, footwear, luxurious items from England were drastically reduced. The reaction rattled the British Parliament. Government was shook by this movement. Okay, this much you are supposed to write. So 3 points: program, events and effect. Clear for you? Now, next question is page number 30. Write short note on. Last point, question of your textbook, that is Swarajya Party. Page number In the video, you are having about Swarajya Party, that is enough for you. After the non-cooperation movement, one photo of Mahatma Gandhi, that's under the heading Swarajya Party. In the video, we are having 7 points. All the 7 points you may write for the short note of Swarajya Party. Next question, answer the following questions. Question number 4. Why was the non-cooperation movement suspended? Answer is, if it is coming for 1 mark, you can write because of Chori Chora incident. If that is coming for big 2 or more, then please explain about the Chori Chora incident. That is page number 29. First heading Chori Chora incident and withdrawal of the movement. Clear for you? Now, next question, answer the following question. Why was the non-cooperation movement suspended? वो हमने अभी डिस्कस किया. उसका next question, why did the prestige of Swarajya Party declined? For that, please come to page number 29. Page number 29. Last paragraph. Page number 29, last paragraph, full, with the death of Chittaranjan Das. Okay, Pura. I hope everything is clear for you. Clear? Okay. For Swarajya Party, while writing short note, you can take it from the answers which I have given under the points which I have given under the heading Swarajya Party in my clip. Okay. Now, next thing you are supposed to write. First, you are supposed to write the main points. Then, next point you are supposed to write is extra 15 MCQs from this quiz chapter. It should be either fill in the blanks, name the following. I want extra 15 questions. The teachers will be checking. I hope the lesson is clear for you. Notes should be complete. Explanation, I hope it was very clear for you. For making, I am giving one video from the YouTube which is explaining about the non-cooperation movement. Enjoy the video and understand it. So complete the notebook. Take care. Stay safe. Bye. Thank you.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम लोग डिटेल में डिस्कस करेंगे एक बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जिसका नाम है नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट। पिछली वीडियो में हम लोगों ने देखा कि देश में खिलाफत मूवमेंट चल रहा था। पहली बार पूरी की पूरी मुस्लिम कम्युनिटी एज अ होल ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ आंदोलन कर रही थी। गांधी जी ने इसमें एक अपॉर्चुनिटी खोज निकाली थी। उन्होंने सोचा कि मुस्लिम्स ऑलरेडी ब्रिटिशर्स के अगेंस्ट फाइट कर रहे हैं और अगर ऐसे टाइम पर हिंदूज़ भी ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ एक मूवमेंट शुरू कर दें तो ये पहली बार होगा कि पूरा का पूरा देश, हिंदू मुस्लिम सभी ब्रिटिशर्स से एक साथ लड़ रहे हैं। और अगर ऐसा हो गया तो ब्रिटिशर्स ज़्यादा देर तक टिक नहीं पाएंगे और ब्रिटिशर्स को घुटनों पर लाया जा सकता है और देश को आज़ाद कराया जा सकता है। और वैसे भी हिंदूज़ तो पहले से ही भरे बैठे थे रॉलेट एक्ट और जलियांवाला बाग ट्रेजेडी का बदला लेने के लिए। गांधी जी ने उन्हें प्रॉमिस किया था कि अगर वो नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट में खिलाफत मूवमेंट के साथ खड़े हो जाते हैं तो वो 1 साल में आज़ादी दिला देंगे। फिर क्या था, गांधी जी ने 1 अगस्त 1920 को नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट शुरू कर दिया और देश उनके साथ आ गया। अब बात आती है कि नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट में करना क्या था। पहली चीज़ तो ये कि गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स, कॉलेजेस, लॉ कोर्ट्स और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल्स को बॉयकॉट करना था। विदेशी कपड़ों का बहिष्कार करना था और उसकी जगह खादी कपड़े यूज़ करने थे। इसके अलावा अगर ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने कोई भी अवार्ड या टाइटल्स दे रखे हैं तो उसको वापस करना है, यानी अवार्ड वापसी। दिसंबर 1920 कांग्रेस सेशन में कांग्रेस ने भी नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट पर मोहर लगा दी और साथ ही यहाँ पर कांग्रेस की गोल स्टेटमेंट को चेंज कर दिया गया। पहले कांग्रेस की गोल स्टेटमेंट जो थी वो था सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट थ्रू कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मीन्स। गोल तो अभी भी सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट ही है, बट इसे अचीव करने के तरीके को चेंज कर दिया गया। तो अब जो है गोल स्टेटमेंट है टू अटेन सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट वाया एक्स्ट्रा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल मीन्स ऑफ मास स्ट्रगल। तो यहाँ पर ये कहना ठीक होगा कि गांधी जी के आने के बाद कांग्रेस के करेक्टर में ये एक बड़ा चेंज आया, क्योंकि अब आज़ादी पाने के लिए कांग्रेस सिर्फ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल रिफॉर्म्स के बारे में नहीं सोच रही है, बल्कि अब वो मासेस को इन्फ्लुएंस करके बड़े मूवमेंट के थ्रू आज़ादी पाना चाहती है। कई सारे कांग्रेस लीडर्स कांग्रेस में इस चेंज से खुश नहीं थे। जिन्ना, एनी बेसेंट और बिपिन चंद्र पाल ने इस कारण से कांग्रेस छोड़ दी। इनके छोड़ने से ज़्यादा कुछ फ़र्क तो पड़ा नहीं, मूवमेंट तो खूब फला फूला। अब क्योंकि बच्चों ने तो गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स कॉलेजेस छोड़ दिए थे, वो तो इन सब मामलों में पहले ही आगे रहते थे। जहाँ मूवमेंट शुरू हुआ नहीं, इन्होंने स्कूल छोड़े। इसीलिए नेशनल लीडर्स ने कहा कि यार इनकी पढ़ाई छूटनी नहीं चाहिए। ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट स्कूल्स नहीं है तो क्या हम लोग नेशनल कॉलेजेस खोल सकते हैं? तो काफ़ी सारे नेशनल लीडर्स ने नेशनल कॉलेजेस और विद्यापीठ खोल दिए। इसके अलावा बड़े बड़े दिग्गज लॉयर्स ने अपनी लॉ प्रैक्टिस छोड़ दी थी। इस समय में जो मेन कॉलेजेस खोले गए थे वो थे गुजरात विद्यापीठ, बिहार विद्यापीठ, तिलक महाराष्ट्र विद्यापीठ, काशी विद्यापीठ, बंगाल नेशनल यूनिवर्सिटी और जामिया मिलिया। और जिन दिग्गजों ने अपनी लॉ प्रैक्टिस छोड़ दी थी उनके नाम थे जवाहरलाल नेहरू, उनके पिताजी मोतीलाल नेहरू, CR दास, सरदार पटेल और राजेंद्र प्रसाद। गवर्नमेंट हमेशा की तरह बरस पड़ी थी आंदोलनकर्ताओं पर। पब्लिक मीटिंग्स बैन कर दी गई थी, प्रेस पर ताले लगा दिए गए थे। गांधी जी को छोड़कर बाकी सभी बड़े लीडर्स को जेल में डाल दिया गया था। उधर कांग्रेस जो है वो गांधी जी पर प्रेशर बना रही थी कि अरे आप तो जेल में नहीं हो ना, आप बाहर हो, नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट अच्छा चल रहा है और अब सिविल डिसोबीडियंस शुरू कर देना चाहिए। गांधी जी पर इतना ज़्यादा प्रेशर बना दिया कि यार गांधी जी आप जो है गियर बदलो यार, अगला गियर डालो आप। मरते क्या न करते गांधी जी ने 1 फरवरी 1922 में बारडोली से सिविल डिसोबीडियंस मूवमेंट लॉन्च करने का ऐलान कर दिया। अब ऐलान करे सिर्फ 4 ही दिन हुए थे कि 5 फरवरी 1922 में चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट की खबर आ गई, जहां लोगों की भीड़ ने 22 पुलिसमैन को जिंदा जला दिया था। बेसिकली चौरी चौरा जो है वो गोरखपुर का एक छोटा सा विलेज है। यहाँ पर नॉन कॉपरेशन के दौरान एक निहत्थे वॉलंटियर ग्रुप पर पुलिस ने लाठीचार्ज कर दिया था। तो इसके रेस्पॉन्स में भाई उनको कुछ ना कुछ तो करना था, तो गांव वालों ने पुलिस स्टेशन का घेराव कर दिया और पीसफुल प्रोटेस्ट करने लग गए। अब इस पर पुलिस वाले जो हैं वो भड़क गए। उन्होंने कहा कि यार ये लोग हमें आने जाने का रास्ता भी नहीं देंगे। उन्होंने गोली वोली चला दी और इसके रेस्पॉन्स में गाँव वालों ने 1-2 के गले काट दिए। बस फिर क्या था, भीड़ ने आगे बढ़ के पूरे पुलिस स्टेशन में आग लगा दी और वो भी पुलिस वालों सहित 22 पुलिसकर्मियों को यहाँ पर जिंदा जला दिया गया था। अब बात पहुंची गांधी जी तक।
हम लड़ेंगे, जरूर लड़ेंगे, मगर हिंसा से नहीं, अहिंसा से।
गांधी जी को तो वायलेंस पहले से ही पसंद नहीं है। खबर सुनते ही उनका तो खून खौल गया। उन्होंने कहा कि यार मैं यहाँ पे अहिंसा 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 बोल रहा हूँ, तो मैं सिर्फ हिंसा 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 ही सुन रहा है। उन्होंने कहा कि यार ऐसे नहीं चल पाएगा। नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट वापस ले लिया उन्होंने। नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट खत्म होने से पूरे देश में मातम सा छा गया, क्योंकि लोगों को ये समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि यार ऐसा क्या हो गया। एक छोटा सा इंसिडेंट हो गया और वो भी एक छोटी सी जगह में, तो गांधी जी क्या इसकी सजा सबको दे देंगे? यार इन्होंने तो नॉन कॉपरेशन और खिलाफत मूवमेंट दोनों ही बंद कर दिए। इनफैक्ट कांग्रेस के कुछ बड़े नेता जो थे वो भी गांधी जी के इस डिसीजन को एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रहे थे। अगर कुछ भी हो, सच्चाई तो यही है कि चौरी चौरा इंसिडेंट की वजह से नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट जो है, जो अपने पीक पर था, उसको अचानक से बंद कर दिया गया। और इसके तुरंत बाद मार्च 1922 में गांधी जी को 6 सालों के लिए जेल में डाल दिया गया। ये था